Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Earth and Capricorn, your person, current feelings and actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 1st to June 10th. So let's see your person, current feelings, Capricorn. Lord. Okay. Let's see your person, current feelings. Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Tower. Oh my God. Lot of readings got this card today. Four of Pentacles. I think your person is not expressing his feelings to you because Four of Cups, he is very sad for the missed opportunity with you. And the Tower, definitely something is happened between both of you. I think some of you are in separation right now. That's why your person feeling very sad, or it could be you feeling very sad. And Four of Pentacles, definitely he is not expressing his feelings even if he has love for you. Even if he has love for you, he is not expressive. I think then you maybe walk away from this situation, then he feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. There is separation, definitely, because the Tower, Four of Cups and Four of Pentacles. Water energy is here, the earth energy is here. I already told you somebody is walking away from the situation, Eight of Cups. And definitely your person is thinking about this connection a lot, but rather than taking action, Six of Swords, I think it could be a long distance relationship. You could be living in one city, your person could be living in another city, but your person want to settle the disputes and want to communicate to you, because Six of Swords is also communication. Definitely you will get communication from your person, but I think one person is walking away from separation. So his first move is to call you or to message you. Definitely he want to think settle. So it will take time to communicate you, because the Hermit is not taking action card. Then later he will call to you, but it will take time because the Hermit is here and Tower movement is also there. So let's pull some cards from universe. Capricorn. Queen of Cups, Lord of Water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. King of Wands, Knight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. One person invests on this connection more than the other, Queen of Cups. I think your person have emotions for you, definitely, but he is not expressive. Your person, he is not expressive type. In near future, maybe he will express. Definitely, because Knight of Wands, definitely he want to come towards you. Their first move is to call you, then he will come towards you. And Seven of Pentacles, I think it is you invest more on this connection and waiting, then you feel regret, then you walked away from the situation, then your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and he want to communicate you and he want to come towards you, because you both have a lot of passion between both of you, King of Wands. So definitely your person will call you and want to come towards you. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.